Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how you can import Excel file in Laravel. So let's get started with today's video. So I have created this view. Here you can see I'm having one upload file option where you can upload your Excel file. Let me show you database. So in database you can see I'm having one task with title and description. Now let me show you one Excel file that I'm going to upload. So here you can see in Excel I'm having title as well as description, and I'm just having two tasks there. So now let me show you code. In web.php you can see base URL is going to file controller index function. So inside index function you can see one view is loaded, that is import.play.php. So now let's go to view file, and here you can see I'm having one form, and inside form you can see import upload file, and on submit I'm submitting this form using Ajax, and it's going to save upload form, and this URL is going to save upload form. So here you can see in this function right now nothing is there. So here we will be writing our code for import, and model also you can see right now nothing is there. So now let's install Laravel Excel. So for that write command composer require mat website slash excel. So this will install Laravel Excel into your project. So after installing you can check in composer.json, there you can find mat website slash excel version as well. So let me show you documentation as well. So there you can see first command I have already run, and after that there is second vendor publish. Basically to publish the configuration of Excel you need to run this command. So now let's copy this command and let's go and run this. So here paste and run the command. So this command will create a excel.php file in your config folder. So let's go and open that. So there you can see file is created. So now let me show you what I'll be getting in request. So here dd request and file I'll be getting, and that is upload file, that is in form input that I have mentioned name. So here let's inspect, go to network. Now let's select the file and here submit. That's the file I have shown you in the starting of the video. So here you can see I'm getting the details of file. So here I'm just getting the details, but how I can fetch data from this file, that we will be doing using import. So now let's create import. So write command php artisan make import, and here task import, and with model option pass model as task. So you can see one import folder is created and one file, that is task import, and here you can see model function is there. So in this file you can see this class implements two model, and with that we are having heading in our Excel file. So for heading you need to implement one more thing here with heading row, and also you need to import that, so with the heading row. And now inside task we need title and description. So pass key as title. From row you can see array row, in this we will be getting data. This will give me one row at a time. So here row title and description, also row description. So now last thing is pending, that we need to get our file and pass this to task import. So now let's call function excel import one, and inside that first one we are going to call instance of new task import, and second is data we need to send. So that is file we are going to send here. So this request file upload file we are going to send. So comment the dd here, and now let's go and check in browser. So click on submit, and there you can see an error, add fillable property. Okay, so in model either you can add fillable property or you can use protected guard one. So here I'm using guarded and just pass blank array. Now submit. So now you can see blank is coming as I have not sent any response. So now let's check in database. So here you can see two entries are there. So you can see data is inserted fine. So let me show you one thing in import. Let me just dd here row, what exactly you are getting in row. So now let's submit, and here you can see one row it's printing right now, my first task as inside this row you will be getting one particular row. So if I'll just change from dd to, let's say, printer, then you can see multiple, as dd is like dump and die. So now click on submit, and here you can see both rows are present here. If I'll show you in database, you can see it's inserted second time, as I have not put any condition that duplicate entry should not be there. So it's inserted twice. So in this video, I've shown you how to import your Excel file in Laravel. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can apply validations while importing. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.